have a little Pink here. Pinky, Xiaomi, and Lena are staying over for a few days, so that's going to be fun. They're probably going to be a handful, but you know, it's going to be fun. It's going to be like a little experiment, see what it's going to be like to have dogs, because we've been really itching for dogs, and I know that it's probably going to be a big commitment for us right now. So it's kind of like practice. So we'll see how it goes with you, Pinky, because you're a handful. You're a big handful. So this is my first attempt at sangria. We'll see what happens there. I don't know if it's going to turn out that good.
You're learning, friend. Learning. Come back here, toy. Oh no, she got it. You
I got it.
I meant to feed. You got me.